Hello, and welcome to the premier solar energy business opportunity available today. Start your journey with an incredible offer at just $199 or $149. Simply mail personalized flyers and postcards, and you can earn up to $3,700 per sale today. Plus, there's a high residual income you can make from your team. This is a big-ticket business opportunity. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts on this video in the comments below. For more information, visit us at www.greenenergywealth.com or call or text 346-704-1754. Now let's get started. If you're tired of being broke, then do something about it today. We have the best solar energy business opportunity right now. I'm searching for 40 individuals who are fed up with programs that have let them down. This is a high-ticket money-making opportunity, and we offer free training. All you need to do is send out your personalized flyers and postcards to start earning money. Get paid to help people switch to green energy for their homes. We've partnered with Brinks, ADT Smart Home Security, and the travel business. Now you have multiple streams of income, not just solar panels, my friend. The solar industry is one of the most lucrative opportunities in the world today. With low market penetration, no upfront out-of-pocket costs, tax credits, and the ability to lower a customer's monthly bill on a service they can't live without, it's an amazing business opportunity and a no-brainer for clients. Here's how it works. The process is as simple as 3 steps. Step 1. Sign up for one of our 2 startup levels, the $199 or $149 membership, and you'll own your very own solar energy business. Step 2. Name your personalized money-making website and verify that your personal information is accurate. Step 3. Get paid. Simply mail the flyers and postcards and watch the money roll in. Plus, you'll earn residual payments when new people join through your team members' mailings of the business opportunity. When customers decide to have solar panel installed, you get paid $3,700 when the sale is completed and the panels are installed. And all you did was mail a postcard, flyer, or use one of my other social media ideas. Question: can you place a stamp on an envelope or postcard? Simply mail our hot money-making flyers and postcards and you'll have your very own business in a box. Having an alarm system at home, your business has become a must. With increasing crime rates, the security industry has exploded and alarm system sales have never been easier. Many home services companies have partnered with us to offer smart home security. Now you earn money whenever a customer signs up for services from Brinks, ADT, or the travel business. Amazing bonus program included. Receive $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. You can't lose with these savings. Additionally, you can opt for $1,000 in fast food restaurant vouchers of your choice. For more information, visit us at www.greenenergywealth.com or call text 346-704-1754. If the lines are busy, leave us a detailed message and we will return your call. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join us today, visit us at www.greenenergywealth.com or call text 346-704-1754 and start earning by helping others go green.